If you want to make your WordPress blog posts or pages more helpful and professional, adding an FAQ section is one of the best ways to do it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create an attractive, easy-to-use FAQ area right inside WordPress using only the built-in block editor, no clunky plugins required. Let's jump straight in. First, make sure you're working inside the WordPress block editor, sometimes called Gutenberg. This is the tool you use to add text, images, and all sorts of content blocks to your posts and pages. So go ahead and open the particular post or page that needs an FAQ. Just click Edit like you normally would. The most straightforward way to add FAQs is with WordPress's core functionality. And lots of newer themes now include built-in blocks that make this super simple. What you're aiming for is an accordion-style FAQ, where readers can click a question and instantly see the answer, without cluttering the page. It's a really reader-friendly format and it looks professional too. Now take a look at your editor toolbar. You'll see a little plus sign, which is how you add new blocks. Click it and use the search bar to look for accordion or FAQ if you're running a popular theme like Cadence, Astra, or GeneratePress. Chances are you'll see a block just for this purpose. These blocks often include Schema integration, which helps search engines understand your FAQ section, giving your site an SEO boost as well. Just select the block from your theme, and you should see spaces to write your questions and answers neatly organized. Fill in each question, then type out your answer right below. You can expand on common questions your readers might have, like shipping info or troubleshooting tips. Each question automatically gets that accordion-style clickable feature, so visitors can expand only what they want to read. It's efficient and keeps things tidy, especially if you have lots of info to share. But what if you don't see an accordion block in your theme? No worries at all. WordPress has a clever workaround. Hit the plus icon again and search for details. This details block acts almost the same. The summary field is where your question goes. Think of it like labeling a drawer with what's inside. Below that, you can add a paragraph block for your answer, or even include lists or images for more detailed explanations. Take your time to phrase each question clearly. Imagine what your readers might actually type into Google or ask you in a comment. If you get stuck, just think, if I was new to this topic, what would I want to know? Then add your answer in a way that's easy to understand. For each FAQ item, simply add a new details block and repeat the process. Once all your questions and answers are set, give everything a quick look to make sure it's easy to scan and there are no typos. When you're happy, don't forget to hit Publish or Update to save your changes and make the FAQ section live for your readers. And there you have it, an interactive FAQ right inside your WordPress post or page using nothing but the built-in editor. If you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like below. And if you have any questions or need troubleshooting help, leave a comment. I check them regularly and I'm always happy to help. For more practical WordPress tutorials just like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.